Hi, I'm Daneel Ballaram, Head of Manufacturing at Baker Baynes, and I'm excited to welcome you to 2025. This year promises to be a game changer for the manufacturing and plant industries, and we're here to help you navigate it with confidence. This January edition of the Manufacturing Newsletter, don't miss an inspirational message from our CEO, Richard Smedley-Williams, in the Looking Ahead to 2025 section. Richard shares key insights into exciting developments shaping the year ahead and provides valuable guidance to guide you to make the most of new opportunities. We're also excited to announce the State of Design and Make AI Spotlight webinar happening on the 24th of January 2025, and this takes place from 11 a.m. to 12. Join us as we explore how AI is revolutionizing manufacturing processes and uncover actionable strategies to stay competitive in this evolving landscape. Register today to secure your spot. As we enter 2025, it's critical to focus on upskilling and staying ahead of the curve. Make sure you secure your CPD-validated Autodesk training courses to strengthen your skill sets and earn your CPD points. These courses are specifically designed to help manufacturing professionals like you achieve and enhance productivity. Additionally, to support your journey, we're offering a range of transformation tools tailored to the manufacturing sector. These include ebooks, guides, training courses, and ready-to-use templates that address your unique challenges and opportunities. So whether you're streamlining your workflows or embracing digital transformation, the resources are here to help you unlock your full potential. Take advantage of our New Year, New Possibilities Fusion promo from the 3rd of January to the 31st of January 2025. Save up to 30% on a new one-year Fusion-based subscription for a single user. Let's make 2025 a year of growth, innovation, and achievement in the manufacturing and product engineering industries. Together, we'll drive success.